First Lady, a title that is arguably every woman's envy. All over the world, we hear about First Ladies, but let's not go far. We very recently had a new First Lady when the guard of power was changed. Everyone, especially on social media, is talking about Margaret Kenyatta. Her having the coveted title for less than a month is notwithstanding. Over the years, Kenya has had unique women who have played the role of First Lady. Some of them stayed in the background, withdrawn, and rarely addressed the public, while others used their position to advocate for specific issues. Very few First Ladies play key roles in their husband's administration. As a result, the role of First Lady has evolved over the years. Today, I want to turn our attention to fashion and style. Just how classy and trendy are these women? Let us focus on Michelle Obama versus Margaret Kenyatta. This is what they wore during their first inauguration. While on the campaign trail or social events, this is how the two matched up. The spotlight is now on Margaret Kenyatta. She may have just stepped into the limelight, but indeed, our Kenyan First Lady surely got some class.